This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off hardware acceleration in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up. To turn on or off hardware acceleration, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. The keyboard shortcut for settings is Control plus F12. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Webpages and click on Webpages. Then on the center pane, the second thing down here, use hardware acceleration when available. This setting requires a restart to take full effect. That means if you change this setting, you need to restart your browser. But if this box is checked, then hardware acceleration is turned on. If it is unchecked, then hardware acceleration is turned off. That is how to turn on or off hardware acceleration in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.